This tutorial will show you how to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC online video editing editor software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to make the audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro is to drag the video or audio clip that you would like to make sound better. In this case, this is what we have. Now, I'm going to create an in point at the beginning of the video and an out point. I'll leave screenshots up here on the screen. The next step is to go under to Effects and type in the following: Bass. Under Audio Effects, click on Bass, drag this below, Treble, and then click Effects Control. If you don't have these windows, then go to Window and click Effects Control and Effects. Make sure that there's a check mark on both of these, and then make sure your audio or video piece is selected and scroll down until you see audio. And for bass, we're going to make this 6 decibels. If you click here, treble 11 decibels, and this is what we have. So notice that the audio is peaking. It might sound a little bit uncomfortable, but we're going to change that completely for free. Now basically, I'm going to unlink this, just right click, and then basically what you're going to do is click unlink right here. And now we can just click the audio piece, go to Effects, and type in hard limiter, and drag this on our audio layer. Go back to Effects Control and click Edit for hard limiter. Make sure that everything is the same. This is by default. But now what we're going to do is we are going to drag this to the left until it says -9 or -8, and this is what we have. Notice that sounds so much better than this. Or does it? You choose.